everyone, my name is Carl Bautista. I'm 35 years old from Paranaque City, and I stand for creating safer spaces in sports and in fitness for the LGBTQI community, for people with disabilities, and for anyone who wants to start their fitness journey. Because personally, I've experienced already how it feels like to feel unsafe and to be bullied out of the sport that I love doing. And nobody deserves to feel that way, right? And now, as a coach and as a multi-sport athlete, and with this platform, I have the influence to create safer spaces for these new athletes and for people who want to start these sports without feeling intimidated or unwelcome. I became the person I needed to be growing up, and as the saying goes, we should be the change we want to see. Thank you.
Carl, your question will be coming from Judge Jules.
Hey, Carl. Alright. What's something you're bringing into this competition and no one else can?
What am I bringing in this competition that no one else can?
Yeah.
That's almost impossible to say right now because I stand with a lot of amazing people here. But I think that I have the personality and the stage presence that can match or even be better than others. Sorry, no offense to the other competitors. But again, if I did have something to bring, it would be my experience in sports and fitness. Thank you.
Male number 16.